This is a video where I will show you how do you upload an image so that you can use that image going forward on any web page. So in this case I want to upload an image under academics and under accounting. So I click on new option from the top menu. I go to accounting, select option upload image. Now these are the various settings you can do for the image you're uploading. So system name is the name used by server. Display name is the name which will be seen by us who are using the images. That means users. I'll use desert as the title. I click on file upload so that I can browse and upload the file. So in this case, this is the file I want to upload in terms of my image. When I do that, I can click on submit. Once I submit, the page will refresh. It will show me an option which says asset created successfully. That means the action is done. You can also see in navigation tree that the image is uploaded. So this is how you can upload an image within Cascade, and going forward you can use this image, use the reference of this image on various web pages where you want to display this. Thank you.